nice to meet you. My name is Tanya. I'm Russian artist. I take the part in the exhibition Russian Artist Agentство. I present two artworks. I would like to share with you my message about my artwork. My artworks are Sidonia and Angels. These two artworks combine purity, sincerity, and tenderness. My artwork, Pasidonia, struggle, passion, emotion. Called in absolute purity, I wanted cleanliness outside. That's why she's white, smooth and bubbling, all times with curve. My artwork, Angels. The texture resembles the wing of angels. That's why I gave it that name, Angels. Our angels are near, they are always behind as they embrace us with their wings. I will be very happy if my artwork takes place in your heart. With love from Russia. Bye!